everybody, my name is Lisa. Today I am opening the Tilda Club box that I get from the Intrepid Threads. This is a monthly subscription box. Off the top of my head, I can't remember what I paid for it, but I will write in the description what I pay for this per month. And let's just get started. These kits specialize in Tilda fabrics, and that's why I love them. So we always get a card. This is my second box, by the way, that I'm opening. It says, "Friendship is the only cement that will ever hold the world together." That's by Woodrow Wilson. It's a very positive thing to say, and I agree with that, hopefully. I hope the world does stay together through friendship and love. It says, "Dear Lisa, happy anniversary. It has been a year since the first boxes went out. I am so happy to not only have the privilege to serve you each month, but to be able to call you my friends. Here's to many more years. Love, Julie." Very nice. Thank you, Julie. Julie also has various she has a Facebook group that I'm a part of, and she also has a YouTube channel, which I will link down below. And she does a lot of tutorials. She's really amazing. So this box, what's in the box? All right, let's just go through the notions. This is the little notions bag we have. It's really cute. Oh, I'm ripping in the bag. And this month we have, oops, see a little bead, a couple of little beads, and some string, really nice string. Mine is teal. I'm sure it's for a project, and a really pretty ribbon. Look at that. I really like that. This must be for a project, so we'll get to that. Oh, I do not have this. This is So Fine Thread Gloss. So you use this, well, it's actually quite hard. Mine is very dry, but I am getting a little on my fingers. I think you run it down a piece of thread so it doesn't curl up. I do a lot of cross stitching, so this would be amazing. Let me see what the card says. It just says exclusive So Fine gloss thread in our own signature scent, Dreamsicle. Okay, I don't really smell anything yet, but it is kind of hard. I probably have to rub my finger over it a little bit to loosen it up. Got a little candy, and this is a really cute pin. It said Sewist. I will pin that somewhere. So those are really cute notions. I'm excited to see. I'm going to go straight to the project because I want to know what it's for. And it's a Tilda patchwork button bag, and I can see that's why we have it. This is really adorable. I don't know if you can see that good, but that's what the little notions are for. And there's very, very clear instructions. The finished size is 7.5 by 6 by 6. So it looks really cool, and I bet you everything's in here for this project. If not, I have my own batting and foam, so that's okay. I do have that. So let's get into the fabric. Bobbins for your stash keeper. Oh, I did get bobbins for my stash keeper. I just dumped it out of the bag. These are bobbins. You put your fabric on it, and then I have a ring, and when you go fabric shopping, you can match your fabric to it. Oh, this is really adorable. These are buttons. They're fabric covered Tilda buttons. Very pretty. It says Bon Voyage. And then we got one, let me see. Well, she already told me 6 back quarters. I'm going to show you these because I just love this So Joyful handmade with love Tilda fabric. I mean, it's soft and it's really, it's just beautiful. This is the first one. Oh wow, that's the second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And sixth. I really love this fabric. That's mainly why I joined this club. It's just the fabric. And I think that project looks adorable and I probably will make it. But I have fat quarters from my last box and these. I really want to do a Tilda quilt. So I have a ton of patterns. Look for the right pattern, and I think I'm going to save most of the fabric for my own quilt. So recap, we got the 6 fat quarters, the really cute buttons, the really sweet project, and then all the little notions for the project, which I'm going to put back in the bag because if you saw what I was sitting in right now, I'm sitting at my sewing table. It's kind of a disaster because I'm in the middle of a project right now. And I won't show you my disaster just yet. So what did you think of the Tilda box that I got? I like it a lot. I really do. And I like that part of being a member of Tilda is the online aspect where a lot of projects are that you can just download to your computer and do it later. I like that she offers all these different projects. They're really great. So you really don't even have to buy books or anything. I haven't bought a book in years actually. So really nice, really nice. I just want to see if I got everything here. Yep. Thank you, Julie. It was an awesome box, and I can't wait to make this really cute project button bag. What do they call it? Yeah, bucket bag. Very nice. Anyway, guys, thank you for your support. If I haven't mentioned, please like and subscribe to this video. Well, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really interested to see if you're interested in subscribing to the Tilda Club. She does open up the membership like a couple of times a year because it's limited as to some. I think she actually does all the work herself. She probably has some helpers, but she seems to put together everything by herself, not like with a huge staff, but I really don't know. I have no idea. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.